this experiment, we will study how resistance affects the current in a circuit. First, your teacher will give you 3 resistors. They are circuit components with a fixed value of resistance. Look at the resistors provided. What are the values of resistance of the resistors? Now, your teacher will provide you with the apparatus as shown. Try to connect them to study the effect of resistance on current. Record your experimental results in a table. Draw a graph to show the relationship between resistance and current. In this experiment, we find that the electric current flowing through a circuit is affected by the resistance in the circuit. When the resistance in a circuit increases, the current in the circuit will decrease.